Hey everyone, Jason here to demonstrate the installation of the Acer Tab 10 case from Gumdrop cases. This is a two-piece design featuring ballistic TPU protection all the way around, with reinforced rubber bumpers on the corners, and a replaceable screen shield to safeguard against drops of any angle. Alright, let's get this installed. First, place the Acer Tab 10 into the bottom portion of the case and press it into place. Next, line up the hole on the front of the case with the camera on the tablet. Third, place the left side of the frame underneath the edge material of the bottom portion of the case, just below where the cutout narrows. Repeat with the right side. And slide the frame upward with both hands until it snaps underneath the edge material of the case's bottom portion, like that. Starting at the top of the right side, massage the edges material of the case's lower portion over the frame. Be patient. Next, lift the material over the edge of the corners. Continue to massage the edges until the case is in place. And that's all there is to it. Your device is protected and ready to enjoy.